What's up, folks? It's me again. What's new in this video? I have a brand new tool review for you. I ordered these a month ago. Month and a half. They are Sun Flag 3-piece screwdriver set made in Japan. Yes, I Amazoned them. I only got a 3 set because they were cheap. They are wood handle, and boy, do these feel nice. What is so good about this? These are JIS, Japanese Industrial Standard screwdrivers. Which, why did I buy them? Particular reason, because Hondas have JIS screws. And in Japanese, apparently they're slightly different than American standard screwdrivers. What's the difference? Clearly, I got a Phillips here and a square one, so that's not gonna cut the mustard. But they are really, really nice. They got nice. There's a logo on it. I'm impressed. There's a little thing here. I guess there's a spot you can tap it. They feel like I know how it could just be cheap, but they really feel nice. Like they feel and they look like somebody just looks like there's quality control. Pro Driver Deluxe number 3. This is a number 2, and this is a number 1. But apparently they're just a little bit more pointy than. I don't know if you can see my fat. It looks through my ears. I don't know if you can see all this here. Here's the camera over here. They're Phillips. They got brown handles. Big, small, fat, and tall. I don't know if you get the scratch that one. Hold on. You pick that one. Oh, that one's ruined. Just kidding. Not a scratch on it. Look at that. Just like it came out of the scratch factory. There's a tinier one that I could drop on the floor. And there's a biggie one right here. See? So, got the pry bar. Medium-sized pry bar. And the gut stabber. Ugh. So, in case anybody comes in the garage and be like, I'm going to shank you. So, shank you later. Now, I bought them so I can take apart the carb. And a few other screws. So, I'm learning. Plus, I mean, I could always use a couple of thousand more tools. Why not, right? Who doesn't need 32 toolboxes? I'm not saying I have 32 toolboxes. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Wait, 1, 2, 3. Wait, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, 6, maybe 5 or 6. With that said, I learned about this on a video, which was where is it? 223 cycles videos. If you look on YouTube, he repairs and does restores carburetors. I am still trying to get a thing on his, because you have to wait until the next batch and go on his site and pay for it in advance and whatever. So anyway, he was talking about these and they sell them. And another video I watched on how to take carbs apart. Apparently all the screws are stripped because people don't have the right screwdrivers. And it makes sense because it doesn't fit in there and just shreds all the screws. You would think somebody would make an aftermarket kit with American screws. Screw heads. No. But anyway, that said, I bought a set. Now I know it exists, so now I gotta start buying more Japanese import crap so I can just take it apart with screwdrivers. Anyway, I hope this was a complete, utter waste of your time, but I hope not. These, if you want to buy them, they're on Amazon. I have no affiliates on Amazon. I haven't even tried to figure it out yet, but I probably should, because I'm probably keeping Amazon in business. But anyway, it wasn't much. I bought it a month and a half ago. They're like, oh yeah, I love it. Plus, I love it when you order something on Amazon. Like, yeah, it's in stock. Give you a cheap price. Then they're like, your item's delayed till, like, let's say it was January 1st when you order it. And they're like, oh, your item's delayed till April 4th, because probably they put it at such a good price. They're like, well, we'll wait till 50,000 people order them, then we'll manufacture them and send it to you. So, a month and a half. Or it came from Japan and went on a truck, went on an airplane, or on a ship, Went across the ship, went in the container, went to the supply house, went in a truck, another truck, waited here, and then finally showed up. That could be it. Amazon, you were slow. Got free shipping though. Made in Japan. It's crazy. All the way over that way, in the middle of the radioactive. I should get a Geiger counter, see if it's radioactive. Fukushima. Who knows? Maybe I'm getting. My hair's gonna stand up. Anyway, I will talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, like, subscribe, click some buttons, and do whatever. But if you leave a comment, it helps the algorithm. Sends me to the big leagues. Not really. Thanks for watching. Toodles.